Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everybody. Thanks for logging on to BrianBledsoeWeather.com. I'm Brian Bledsoe, and we've been talking about a wintry type weather pattern across the western high plains now for the past few days or so, and it looks like it's going to take a couple of days break, and then we're going to get right back into the thick of things as we head toward the early to middle part of next week. Here's the reason why. Let's take a look at the upper level weather pattern as we head in time here. Now, this is what it looks like on the mid portion of Saturday. The blues right here, those are storm systems and generally colder and more stormy weather, while the reds right here, that's where high pressure is situated in the atmosphere. So you think of basically quieter weather and maybe some warmer weather. So when Alaska gets warm, we usually get cold, and that is generally the pattern that's going to take shape as we head into this forecast. Watch this ridge of high pressure right here over the Gulf of Alaska. Look at it get bigger and stronger. So by the time we head towards Sunday night, this ridge of high pressure is sending a lot of cold air southward right here toward Colorado, New Mexico, western Kansas, and into the panhandle of Oklahoma and Texas, and really across all of the western United States. That chilly air is basically going to be with us through the majority of next week. Look at how strong this ridge is here over the western part of Canada, eastern Alaska, and the northern portion of the Pacific Ocean. As long as that ridge is present, it is creating a pathway for cold air to make its way southward out of Canada, and that trend looks like it's going to last through the majority of next week. This storm system that you see right there centered around Vegas, midday on Wednesday, is going to kind of sit back there and spin for at least a day or two before it can possibly make its way eastward across New Mexico and West Texas by the middle part of Friday of next week. Now, it is still kind of uncertain exactly how strong that storm system will be or exactly what track it's going to take, but that's certainly something we're going to have to watch toward the back part of next week and as we head toward next weekend, as that storm system kicks out into the plains and eventually zips up into the upper part of the Midwest. When that happens, we will start to see milder air move back into the western high plains, and that Arctic air mass will gradually work its way out of our hair. We'll gradually start to warm things back up just a little bit. But a pretty serious shot of Arctic air headed our way, especially during the middle part of this upcoming week. You got a couple of days to prepare for it, so use this quiet weather and the time accordingly to get things set for what will be likely some of the coldest air, if not the coldest air, of the winter season. We'll keep you updated right here at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. In the meantime, some general long-range forecast information has been posted. Just click on that tab on the home page. Have a great weekend.